Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Honda Pilot Touring. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V6 pushing out 280 horsepower. For wheels, we've got blacked out 20-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Sunroof. Rear seat entertainment. Third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our Pilot Touring all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, a fold-down third row seating, in back, we've got our rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, our video input for the rear seat entertainment, USB ports. This one does come with a keyless entry. Nice gloss black trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. A touchscreen media display, navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate zone. Heated seats. A Blu-ray disc for the rear seat entertainment. Power outlet, USB. Automatic transmission. This Pilot has 58,035 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda, check out feldmanimports.com.